Hello everyone, Max here, coming up with the next video. This time it's a new day, new iPhone to unbox. We've got the 14 Pro, let's get this thing started, let's unbox this iPhone. Here we go. My sister is just now unboxing this thing because I'm too lazy. But yeah, I bought this thing for roughly 2800 Polish zloty, which is about 704 US dollars, which is not a bad price as for the iPhone 14 Pro. And most importantly, it's the 256 gigabyte model, so it's not the regular 128. 128 will go for like 2500 even, so I don't know, 600 US dollars, something like this. But yeah, we've got the iPhone 14 Pro and 256 gigabyte model. So yeah, here it is, wrapped in this plastic foil, as you can see, bubble foil, and it comes with the box and everything, so that's good. At least we have that. And also I think there should be a proof of purchase, the receipt. There might be one, we don't know, we'll see. So yeah, we have the box, the 256 gigabyte model is this, I think. Yes, the deep purple model, 256 gigabyte model, 14 Pro. So yeah, let's take a look at the phone. And here it is, in a used condition, but everything looks to be okay now. I just don't see any fragments or any scratches on it. Just take a look at the phone. This is how it all looks like. No, not a bad condition, honestly. I like it a lot. Maybe here a little bit, but yeah, other than that, it looks just very cool. And obviously the phone comes with the hydrogel foil, so yeah, the screen is protected, it shouldn't have any scratches. And yeah, we also have the instructions and manuals. There's no cable, I think. Is there a cable?
No.
No, there's no cable. So yeah, just the manuals and stickers. And the phone, of course. Let's boot it. So here we go, the Apple logo. And here's the iPhone. 256 gigabyte model. As you can see, it's running on the iOS 17.5.1, and yeah, it looks good. It's at 89% of the maximum power of battery, so not bad, not too shabby. The camera looks to be working fine. I see no defects. The ultra wide angle mode, the 2x, 1x, yeah, it looks cool. Works great. You also have some different modes in here and stuff, so yeah, it looks cool. Let's also record a video for a while. 1, 2, 3. Now play the video. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, there is the volume. Both the microphones and speakers do work fine. It also comes with some different modes, such as the cinematic modes and etc. So yeah, it looks cool. So that's it. And now it's also connected to the internet, and let's see if it actually does connect to the Wi-Fi and everything works fine. So yeah, just like this, it connects to the internet and loads up the information without any problems. So yeah, internet works. And yeah, so that's it. I won't be listing this thing for sale. I just wanted to record you like the video, unboxing video of this used iPhone 14 Pro. And that's pretty much it. That's for this video. On my channel you will also find a lot of videos where I flip different iPhones, iPhone 13 Pros, 14 Pros and etc. Everyone will find something for their own. And yeah. So that's it, the iPhone 14 Pro in purple, and in deep purple 256 gigabyte model. Leave a like and see you in the next video. Bye!